Greetings members of staff. Attention is required for this essential safety briefing for all InGen personnel on Isla Nublar. Safety protocols must be strictly adhered to at all times during your work here, as the consequences of negligence could be catastrophic. As an employee of InGen, you are required to maintain the confidentiality of all information and materials related to the company's operations, particularly the genomes of the dinosaurs we have engineered. Any theft or unauthorized disclosure of confidential information or materials, including but not limited to dinosaur genomes, is strictly prohibited and considered a serious breach of trust. As a theme park populated by genetically engineered dinosaurs, the safety and security of Jurassic Park is of utmost importance. In light of this, InGen Corporation has established a comprehensive confidentiality policy that requires all employees to maintain the secrecy of all proprietary information and materials, including dinosaur genomes. InGen Corporation maintains a strict policy of confidentiality regarding all information and materials related to the genetic engineering of dinosaurs, as well as the operations and systems of our theme park, Jurassic Park. Us at InGen Upper Management humbly thanks you for your time. We wish you and your work a pleasant time.
Contracts release Jurassic Park of the InGen Corporation from any and all liability related to accidental injury, death, or disease sustained during your time on Isla Nublar.